Welcome to another edition of Bible class 7th grade. We're picking up on our lesson on orderliness. Want to get you guys ready for your test tomorrow. Make sure you got all your notes. So we should have orderliness, the pattern for successful living. We'll start with our definition. Make sure you have down, because the first question on the test is the definition: doing everything at the proper time in its proper order. Make sure you highlight that in your notes. Again, first question in your notes is the definition. Make sure you guys have on all the synonyms and antonyms, because these will be on the test. In the form that it will be, I have no clue. It's either going to be matching or multiple guess, one of the two, but you need to know your synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are neat, well-planned, prepared, organized, and structured. Our antonyms are haphazard, out of sync, chaotic, confused, and in disarray. We did a lot last week of looking at things of order. We started off with God being a God of order and how He expects our work and our lives to be done orderly. You remember we did a worksheet where we began with creation. We ended in Revelation with the creation of new heaven, along with the ordered events of the second coming. God gives an exact description of the new heaven and the area encompassed, its walls, its doors, its building materials, all that is listed in Revelations. And we looked at that, seeing that God was a God of order. So you need to know these 2 points to understand why we are doing orderliness in our lives. And that's because God is that exactly. God is a God of order. When we looked at the last 2 statements of God is a God of order and that He expects our work to be done in an orderly manner, we wanted to have additional benefits, so we looked at time as well as space. So I want you to know, for personal reasons as well as testing reasons, how to organize your time. Know these bullet points, these 6 for organizing time, as well as the others for space. Make sure you keep a schedule, make a list, decide priorities, and prepare ahead if possible. Always be careful of those time wasters, and remember to use time wisely. There's not as much with organizing space. We did this with our lockers. We did it with our book bags. I challenge you to do that at home in your rooms last week by simply just making your bed or cleaning up your closet. Those things would help you organize space. And here are 4 areas that you need to remember when organizing space. That is sorting things into groups, throw away and pack up or give away. Keep like things together and decide on a place for them. Put clean and folded and ready to use items in their places. These are all helpful hints that I want you to learn and highlight, and they will be on the test as well. As we have looked at with orderliness, one of the greatest ways you can study for your test is to take these things that we have listed and go and try to do them around your house. Great to memorize them. Once you put it to action and into work, these things might become second nature for tomorrow's test. Hope you guys have highlighted what you're supposed to have. Please remember to be quiet for Miss McGinnis and do what's asked of you. Remain quiet and be ready for the test tomorrow. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care.